Good morning, everyone, or good afternoon or evening. We are Group 6, and we are here to report about the phases of inequality. And here's our collage on the Philippine social strata. And Labiaga Dexter is here to present or explain about our output.
Okay, thank you, Pre. And the first one is the upper class, elite or wealthy class. The upper class in the Philippines consists of the richest and the most powerful family. This includes the big business owners, politicians, or high-ranking executives and celebrities who live comfortable and luxury lives. Example of people in this class includes business tycoons like Henry C. Family, yan ang owner sa SM Group. Then, Ayala at also si Nivillar, kay noon siya nga billionaire gid siya kay mga kuha niya ha kanang yuta o mga balay, as well as famous personalities such as Manny Pacquiao, who rose to wealth through sports and businesses. They often live in exclusive subdivisions such as for Base Park or Ayala. Alabang send their children to prestigious schools and travel abroad frequently. Then, the upper class plays an important role in countries' economic growth because they create jobs, build businesses, and invest in industries that provide opportunities for others. Their success can inspire entrepreneurship and innovations. However, they also have the responsibility to promote fairness, social welfare, as their wealth gives them influence in helping address poverty and equality in the nations. So sa upper class mo to siya katong mga high kuan jud siya kanang mga business owners ba, dagko kayo. Kaklaro ra mo guys. The second is middle class. Kaning middle class is mga working professionals and small business owners. The middle class includes professionals such as teachers, engineers, nurses, seafarers, small entrepreneurs, and office workers who earn enough to live comfortably but still need to work to sustain their lifestyle. Then, an example, public teachers in Cebu or a BPO employee in Manila. Kaya mga call centers nga, dagko dyan sila, kuhan ba? Consider na to sila mga middle class youth. Kay mga kuhan nilang sweldo ba, kanang ka-enough yun maka-provide sa family, mga makakuhan sa needs. Mana middle class siya. Or any of W, mga kuhan, like seafarers, hindi man siguro sa middle class kay kuhan na, sustainable ilang ang kuhan sa ba? Income. Mga OFW sa nurse, mga nurse nga nasa kuan Saudi, dagko kayo kuan jud maka consider sa siya nga middle class. And they often own modest homes, drive second-hand cars, or use public transportations, and value education for their children as they key to better future. Then the middle class is often called the backbone of the economy because they are main taxpayers and consumers who keep businesses running. They contribute to the country progress through hard work and professional services. A strong middle class leads to economic stability and social balance as they connect the upper and lower classes by promoting upward mobility and reducing the gap between rich and poor. So mao to siya guys ang middle class kanang mga kuan ra kanang sakto yun maka sobra-sobra gamay nga ka-provide siya sa iyang mga needs sa family kanang makapalit kag mga gagmay nga kuan kanang nakay excess nga mga kuan ba salary kanang dili kay ng lisod jud gayo nga untop-untop na sobra. Mao na siya sa middle class. And the third one is lower class. Working poor and marginalized sectors. The lower class represent the majority of Filipinos who struggle to meet daily needs. Ang lower class kanang mumao siguro na mo kanang dili kayo kuan ba kanang maka provide kayo daily sa mga needs mga lower class. They include kani mga farmers, fishermen, factory workers, street vendors, pareha na mo, kuan, nindahay ra sa duguan, mais, sa kaning kilid-kilid na kasada, nya also kaning mga jeepney drivers, kaning mga tricycles, kanang dili stable ang income ba. Mo ni siya lower class din. And household helpers, kanang mga katabang, kanang minimum ra or below pa gyud sa minimum, maglisod sa kuan sa pamilya pa ba. Then a market vendor in kanang mga diri sa lungsod, kanang mga kilid-kilid yapon dili jud ila ma-maintain ang mga kuan ba, ilang income, or ang mga rice farmers belong to these groups. They often live in rural areas or urban poor communities and rely on daily wages or informal jobs to survive. Access to healthcare, kaning education and stable income is often limited for them. Kanang mga limited ra lahat yung mga kuan sa kanang labi na emergency. Maglisod ba yung mga kani sa eskwelahan, lisod tagbayad. Kani sila mga sa kuan lower class na belong jud. Dili stable ang mga income ba. Then despite their hardships, the lower class is essential to the nation's foundation because they provide labor and essential services that keeps society functioning, such as farming, transportation, constructions, and domestic work. They are the heart of the workforce and represents the resilience and determination of the Filipino people. Helping uplift this class through education, fair wages, and social programs is vital for achieving true national progress and equality. Kani siya the lower class is called kanang dili gid siya sustainable yang kuan, yang income. So igo-igo ra gyud nga maka-provide or makakaon lang sa katulos kadlaw sa dili pa. Mao ni siya nabilong sa mga lower class. So guys, that's all. Namay kapunuan ning kuan.
So makita gyud nato no ang kuan ba differences between the rich ug mga poor. So there's a Philippine social strata like ma-realize na to ba unsa ka deeply social class ang lahi nga mga pamilya na to, like ang uban ay dato lagi na pobre na mga challenges gyud na about sa education, sa healthcare, sa employment. So sa karon sa in reality ma-encourage bitaw ta nga dapat gyud ta maging butang tag kindness lang siguro sa especially sa katong nag-struggle sa ilang pag-adlaw despite sa ilang limited means, di ba? Like humanity lang siguro makatao lang sa gusto eh. Whatever natin mga sobra-sobra atong we have to help each other para ma-build ito atong society nga mas nindot bitaw. Anak. So I think more siguro to guys, everyone sir, all about the Philippine society social strata
And the three classes.
and okay na to, please.